In the work package 4 of ALICE, a huge effort has been made to develop a new land use and land cover change model that will be appropriate to simulate at a very fine scale all types of land uses and land cover changes independently, and then that will influence each other. For the purpose of the project, we have to simulate these changes at a very fine scale, the one of the agricultural plots, for instance, where the blue and green infrastructure network influence ecological and biogeochemical processes, and this was a great challenge. Archive satellite data, Landsat and Sentinel-2 have been acquired to produce the land cover maps, like this one. And at 3 different moments, in the 1980s, in 2000, and now for the current date. And using a supervised classification process, we've been able to make this kind of land cover maps for all the 3 dates and to go backwards in time.
To validate the automatic classification made through satellite images, we need to proceed to an extensive field survey in each case study. We can use also some existing databases and maps. And so we assess floristic data in the field, and then we can match them with standard international typologies.
We also conducted for one case study a similar approach at a very fine scale using drone data, a time series of drone data, starting from April, for instance, and going up to May and June. And thanks to this time series, we were able to estimate the spatial distribution of habitat within a hotspot of biodiversity on the Sougial Marsh located nearby the Mont Saint-Michel Bay. And here you can see the correlation between the distribution of hygrophilic to mesophilic meadows and the elevation of the marsh.